Okay, I'm going to try to demonstrate how I draw these flow lines on the map of the water table surface, water table elevation of the High Plains Aquifer in Wyoming. The One of the questions asks, what kind of aquifer this is this? And the answer is it's an unconfined aquifer because it's a water table elevation map. If it were a confined aquifer, we wouldn't be graphing contours of the water table, we'd be graphing contours of the potentiometric or piezometric surface. But since this is a water table map, it is an unconfined aquifer. So let's start. I'm going to start at one of these and I'm going to sort of show you my procedure. This is always done in pencil in real life, not on a tablet. And it is always full of trial and error and mistakes and erasing and stuff like that. So you're going to actually get to see me do it as best I can. Remember, the rule is we're going to go start at high elevations of the water table and go towards low elevations of the water table. So high elevations are on the left and low elevations on the right. So all of these paths should be moving from left to right. So I'll start at this one over here. And I'm going to start here and immediately go, well, sort of go towards, try to cross at a right angle here. And now I'm just going to sort of move along here, trying to always cross these things at right angles. This is sometimes easier said than done. I have to gently curve my line, but this is not bad here. You see how I'm kind of doing this? If I make a mistake, I'm just going to erase and go back. That happens all the time. Like this. And now to get to this next one, I'm definitely going to have to, I don't like that, so I'll just erase here. I'm going to curve this around so that I go like this. And that's about as far as I can go. So there's one of my paths. I'll try to do this one here. So same exact procedure. I'm going to go through this. And now I've got to make a decision, right? I'm going to go up probably to here. The hard one up there. And now I'm going to come up here. Cross like this. And oops. More erasing. That's common. Now here, it's really weird. It's going to kind of go down this valley here, right? All the way. And we really don't know what it does in there. But yeah, it didn't do that. If yours doesn't look exactly like mine, that's fine as long as you're doing your best job you can crossing these contours. I'm sure the one I'm doing now won't look exactly like the one I already did for the key. So that's just the nature of this, but here we go. Gonna now go like this. Oops, that's wrong, isn't it? Gonna go right to the city of Cheyenne there. And they're gonna actually end up pretty close to each other. Isn't that interesting? Okay, and then one more over here. I'm gonna do the same exact thing, but curve it around like this though. They're supposed to be right angles. By the way, just as a general matter of course, if you're drawing these, you know they're supposed to be right angles, but don't do this. Which don't. Let me say what I mean. What I see some students do sometimes. I'll try to make a mistake here. I'll go like this, right? And then knowing that it's supposed to be a right angle, they try to fool me by going like this. Oh yeah, that's a right angle. No, no, that's not a right angle. You actually have to make it look like a right angle to the best of your ability. So I'm going to go in like this. Okay. Finally like this. There we go. So there's our three flow paths. Notice they're as smooth a line as I can draw. I'm trying in every case to cross the contours at right angles, and I'm always going from high head to low head.